Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn battle to look at. So this is going to be the battle between all three different Leslie types. These are all 5 chime horns. This is an S5D, this is an S5T, this is an S5A. You've got a little higher, you've got higher pitch, gets a little lower, and then the lowest pitched. These are all bronze tabby horns. I did that just to keep them all the same. So no different sound between your power chambers as they're all bronze tabbies. The S5A and the S5D, they are recreations or replicas of the originals. They're not the originals. The originals are extremely hard to find, and there's actually not any original S5As, I don't think, that anyone knows of. So anyway, I'm not going to go into specifics on each one of these horns. If you want to know more about one of these horns, go to the dedicated video on the channel. But anyway, I've got the S5T and the, the S5A and S5T. They're on the horn rig, and then the S5D is up on the truck rack. So we're going to be doing all three of these together. So y'all stick around through the whole video and see the run-bys of each one of these horns. They all sound great. I really like all three of these horns. So anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the S5D versus S5T versus S5A.
Alright guys, what's going on? So here's the setup. This is my rig that I use to do horn battles with. This is how I have them set up. Now it'll only do 2, we're doing 3 in this video. But just to give you a look, we've got our valves right there. Then of course a horn here connects in like that. Same with the other horn. It's just what it looks like around back. So you select there. We've got the S5T bronze tabby, got an S5A, and then we've got the S5D up on the truck. That's how I'm gonna do the third horn. So there's the S5D. With the truck, we're gonna be using the manual valve in the truck. Now, one little difference. With this setup, we have really short leads, right? So there's our valve right here, comes up, so just a couple feet of airline. On the truck, we have, you know, I don't know, 12 foot of airline, probably, maybe a little bit more. So these horns will quill a little easier than that horn. So you may hear a little sound difference in the video with the S5D. You know, it might not quill as well, you know, as well as these. So anyway, here we go, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is the S5T versus the S5A versus the S5D.